Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with a ready Notion calendar and a copied iCal feed. First, open the specific database in Calendar View and enable Share to Web so Apple can read it. Once done, use the View's Share menu to copy the calendar feed and iCal URL. Make sure the feed you copied is for the calendar view and not a page link. This feed is what Apple Calendar subscribes to, so keep it accessible and unchanged. Now switch to Apple Calendar and subscribe to that iCal URL. On a Mac, choose File, right arrow, New Calendar Subscription, paste the feed, then name the calendar. Once done, set Auto Refresh to a frequent interval so changes appear promptly, if you're using iCloud. Add the subscription there so it syncs across devices. Make sure alerts and time zone support are set as you prefer. This step turns your Notion feed into a living calendar inside Apple's ecosystem. Finish by checking that new or edited Notion events show up in Apple Calendar. Sometimes changes take a minute or two. If updates seem stale, make sure the subscription's auto-refresh is frequent and that the iCal URL is still public. If you need two-way sync or custom field mappings, consider automations like Zapier or Make to push changes both ways. When things go wrong, recopy the iCal link and resubscribe. Broken or private links are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.